In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to solve the WordPress media library problem. And the WordPress media library is really decent and a good option, but sometimes you might not be able to upload a photo or view your previous photos. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can solve this. I'm Andrew from More Convert, and for more WordPress videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So the first step is identifying the problem. So we can know what is the problem and what is it affecting. So it's really important that you see whether your problem is with a special particular photo or it's affecting all of your photos in the library. And if the problem is only with one photo, then it's most likely that the photo is the cause of the problem. It might be too large, or its name might contain some strange characters that WordPress does not support. And you can always check the name and see if there are any other characters and try renaming the photo. And also you can check the size, that if it's too large or too big, you can always resize it or compress it with any photo editor of your choice. And it's really good for your website, because if you reduce the photo sizes and compress them, then your website loads much faster, and there are many online tools available for that. And it also might be due to slow internet connection or the login session getting expired along the way. In both scenarios, you can reload the page and try re-uploading the photo. But if the problem is with all the photos, then it might be a little more complicated. It might be due to the folder permissions. So I'm just going to show you how we can change the folder permission. And I'm just going to bring my website here, and I'm just going to log into my direct admin. And in any hosting company, you always have a way of accessing your files. It might be direct admin, cPanel, or any way they let you access your file. In this case, I have direct admin, and I'm just going to bring my file manager and public HTML. This is a folder containing your WordPress installation. And then we have the WP content and uploads. And this folder is a folder holding all of the uploaded files in your media library. And we can just right click on it and change the permissions. So we have set permissions options here. If you have FTP client or any other options, you always have this change permissions or view permissions or set permissions, and you can easily see here it's correct. It's 755. And if you migrate to another hosting company, it might especially be the problem. So you can check and make sure that it's correct. In this case, it's fine. And it also might be due to a faulty plugin. So maybe a plugin is causing the problems. And you can always systematically find that faulty plugins. So you can just bring your plugins and then try disabling plugins one by one. And when between disabling plugins, you can always check the problem. And if disabling one plugin eliminates the problem, then you know for sure that this plugin is the cause of the problem. Then you can just change it or try reaching the developers of that plugin. It also might be because of your theme. It's less likely if you have a solid theme, but it's worth checking. Sometimes things can go wrong and you can just change your theme, but it's really important before doing anything with your theme or plugins. It's important that you back up your site so you don't break anything forever. And that was it, everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content, and also give this video a thumbs up. You can always reach our team from the link in the caption.